this training session, you'll learn how to build an effective base. Oil resources are key to your success. To build an oil derrick, select one of your trucks. Then left-click the oil pool indicated by the radar pulse. Construction completed. The oil derrick is currently dormant. To extract the oil and convert it into power, a power generator is required. Left-click the flashing Build icon. Now left-click the power generator in the Build menu. Position the square at your base, then left-click to start the build process. To increase your build rate, select your second truck. Now left-click the power generator site. The truck will now help build the power generator. Construction completed. During missions, you need to locate and recover technologies from before the collapse. Use a truck to search for the artifact indicated by the radar pulse. Move the pointer over the artifact. When it turns into a grabber, left-click to order the truck to recover the artifact. Artifact recovered. A research facility is required to research artifacts. Left-click the Build icon. Now left-click the research facility and position it at your base. Use your other truck to help build the research facility. Construction completed. To research the artifact, left-click on the research icon. Now left-click the artifact. The artifact is now being researched by the facility. Major research completed. The researched machine gun can be used to design a new vehicle using the Viper body. Left-click the design icon. To start your design, left-click the new design icon. Now left-click the vehicle body icon. Then left-click the Viper body. Left-click the wheels icon. Then left-click the machine gun to complete your design. Your new vehicle is named automatically. You can change this name if you so desire. To finalize your design, left-click the flashing Close icon. A factory is now required to manufacture your Viper. Left-click the Build icon. Then left-click the factory. Now position it at your base. Construction completed. The factory's delivery point is indicated by the number 1. This is initially positioned next to your factory. You can move the delivery point at any time by left-clicking it. Then left-click where you want to position it. Manufacture a Viper. Left-click the flashing manufacturer icon. Now in the factory's build list, left-click the Viper, then left-click the truck. Your factory will now produce 1 Viper and 1 truck. Production completed. Production completed. Congratulations, Commander. You are ready for your first mission.